Steel tanks weighing 80,000 pounds are being transported by trucks on Baffin Island in the Arctic Circle. It's a truly fascinating sight. What do you think?
Nice and straightaway.
Multiple excavators are trying to lift an overturned truck. Write in the comments how much this truck weighs in pounds. By installing a solid support structure and special machinery, we can save this severe cave accident. In fact, practical experience will always be the best way to learn. With 500 horsepower, the B954 excavator crane effortlessly lifts the heavy excavator weighing tens of tons to shore with ease and precision. The extraordinary powertrain works like a tireless machine that can overcome any challenge.
Regarde, il fait même que les péniches. Ouais, j'ai vu.
Et là, pourquoi il parlait dans l'eau aussi comme... Là, il fait qu'est-ce qu'il veut. C'est pas pareil.
C'est ça. Bah, au moins, ils ont l'avantage à les prendre. Ah ouais, ça elle est propre.
Caterpillar 352 F excavator deep inside a busy coal mine. The focus here is on clearing the top layer, the layers of soil and rock that lie on top of the coal bed. What is its task? Loading the top layer onto Mercedes and manned 4-axle trucks and then transporting it away from the mine site. Take a look at this fascinating move. Isn't it impressive?